Now, we call this bottom up metrics because essentially no two systems are the same. My application, small or large, is likely going to be implemented far different from another application, even of similar design focus. With you having the knowledge of what you would like to measure and understanding the pain points of your application, you can go into your application and instrument the metrics that you care about far better than we could ever do so. So we built Statful to provide you, the customer, the client, that opportunity to measure what's important to you. So with that metrics set, let's take this and let's actually make a metric call over to Statful. So I'm going to jump over here to my IDE of choice, and I'm just going to send a quick call over to Statful. Now, I've taken the same code that was from the website, and I've brought it over here for the interest of time. I have made some modifications to it in order to support our use case. And in this scenario, we've changed the API token, which when you sign up for Statful, you will be issued your own API token as well. And I've also changed the namespace to cj.webinar.demo, just to isolate us from any sample test data. These tags are still the same. There's no need for us to change those, but we're sending a value of 49 now. So let's fire up our sample script and send some data over to Statful. Huzzah. So as you see here, just as our example on the statful.com website, we have a value of success. But what does this mean? What does this do for us? I've sent a value of 49 and a timestamp. Where does it go? So let's take a quick look into Statful, and let's go over here to the Explorer. Now, using our namespace here, cj.webinar.demo, we're going to pull this metric out of the Statful ingestion engine. Now, immediately once I arrive at the Explorer page, you'll see this drop down here to the bottom left, highlighting some metrics that I've already sent to Statful thus far. So if I begin to type cj.webinar.metric, or I can just paste in our value here, demo. Once I plot in that value, you can see here, we just sent this value of 49 at 10:13 because we're on the West Coast time. So immediately that value is placed into Statful.